Hey guys, it's Nature Kid. I am going to be exploring the barn today with my cousin, my friend, and my dad, and my dog. Okay, so let's get into the video. Right now we are walking. This looks very overgrown. I've been here a few times, but not a lot. I let them go a bit ahead of me, so when I have to record a lot in front of them. That's my friend Alex up there that you can see. I'll show you guys when we get there. It seems to be a pretty old graveyard. I've been here before. It's pretty creepy. Nothing much else. Okay, I am now here at the field. Yep, it's pretty. I don't know if they grew anything in particular here, but next time you'll see me, I will be in the barn. We are here at the farmhouse, the house that is now abandoned and that owns all of these farms. I currently do not know who actually owns this property, but yeah. Holy spider webs. There's so many spiders in here. That's moved from last time. I have an old video. Alex, hasn't that moved?
I don't even remember.
Oh wow.
It's under there.
Nothing much. This is pretty dark. Let me try to turn on. I think this is a little bit better. You guys.
Yeah.
Look, this is moved from last time.
Oh, hell no.
Somebody's been here. Hopefully I don't fall through. This seems pretty old. I wonder if it's worth any money. Whoa, Alex, you better not stump.
Well,
You might fall through like last time.
We'll fall through again.
No.
That hole in the wall is creepy.
It could have been
I
a
know, I
fire.
went through it once.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Actually, I'm not.
And
I know, because
then
I got
I'll
beat
go
with
up there, but
Sean, should I break the glass open?
oh, it's just the sunlight, Alex. Alex, come on.
Should I jump?
No! We should bring that and watch what's on it.
Okay. Here, you hold this. Let's keep
These are really steep. I don't know if Alex, I don't know if we should go up here. These stairs are really
Well, don't walk too hard.
This doesn't go any further. Don't stop right there. I don't even want to see what's behind that.
What?
That.
We have to. Get your dad in here. I'll be back. Next, I'm not leaving you.
Yeah, don't leave. We can get him through this window. Dad!
Yeah. Oh.
Come up here. There's something different. Come on. At least try.
We have to look through.
Oh,
Here's
it's just
the
a mattress.
Whoa, I can use that. Hey, I'm super happy.
Ooh. I really don't like this.
We should
Ooh.
look. I got you, Sean. I got you back. I got you.
Alex, this floor's about to break.
Look at all these cool books.
Our language today.
When is this?
I'll bring this. It seems like it teaches you how to speak other languages.
Let's keep looking. Look at all the books, because we might not come here again. Well, I wanna for investigation.
Dawn of Love.
Let's look over there.
Dark Desires. This doesn't seem like they were interesting.
We should,
I wonder what this is. Headphones.
That doesn't look too old.
Weird. Let's go down.
No. Let's keep looking in that room.
Well, at least, I mean, we've really seen everything. I'm just gonna throw this book.
Yeah, we do.
Ew. Y'all see how
Why is there a hole in the wall?
I don't know. It looks like somebody got their head bashed in. And there's a razor right there. Be careful.
Oh, right. Oh, jeez.
Do y'all see how like narrow they made these stairs?
Oh, it's an old house.
Yeah, that's absolutely crazy.
You know what this reminds me of? The Family Guy. The stairs.
This sort of reminds me of Monster House. Just, You know, I sort of want somebody to go in there with us. Be right back.
Oh,
Sorry guys, I couldn't get them to come up. My dog won't be able to. What's old?
what was that?
What do you mean?
Look under the stairs.
Yeah.
Some weird things. Is that a baseball bat?
I don't like that. Alex, come on.
Okay, this I really never want to see what's in
I do not want to.
Okay. Oh, I say cold hanger.
Why is there blinds like this?
Okay.
I don't want to wipe that. I swear there's going to be like a ghost in there.
I'm curious if I can kick off the
Okay, fine. Yeah, I think it's a...
Watch me, hold up.
You wouldn't be able to.
I got this.
Okay, sure. Yeah, you just
Okay,
shut
I'm
it.
just weak.
Dingus.
It'd be cool if I could.
That's why you fell through last. We shouldn't go
Wait,
there.
I want to go over there again.
No, Alex, you can get like really hurt. Yeah, let's go. Let's go out the back. Let's go around. I'm pretty sure we can. Let's just shut this door.
No, it's fine. We can look it back in.
No, thank you. Ooh, Hop, let's try to open this one.
Yeah.
I really don't like destroying things.
Well, here's the thing. Nobody lives here. And if anybody did live here, I feel bad.
Should we throw it?
We should, but I'm backing away. Come back.
No. I mean, we can just try to go around the back. We should try to do that first, because I really don't like vandalizing things.
Here, I'll meet you
Especially
back.
if it like holds memories.
Okay, I don't think we should go that way. Let's go this way.
Yeah. Okay. This is a pretty huge tree.
Watch out where you step out. You don't want to fall through the floor again and get bit by a snake.
You guys, tell me in the comments if y'all see anything weird or creepy around here. Huh. Oh, hey.
Sean,
Yeah.
I'm in the bed.
So am I.
So, like, I'm where you said not to be.
Okay. Ooh, spiders. Spiders. My shirt is stuck. Alex, that's about to fall. Let's not go under that. Okay, yep. We're satisfied. Our curiosity. Okay, so we are going to try to see if we can find any other barns. There are some, but they're really hard to get to since it's pretty overgrown now. So if I can, I will get there and y'all see it. And if I can't, this video will end. So I guess bye. So, obviously it isn't over yet. And while I'm walking back, I will just try to find some other barns that I can get to because, you know, I don't want the video to be this short and this boring. I hyped it up too much. Wow, there's a bunch of jars. Maybe this is the place that caused the junkyard to happen. That's creepy. We've been up there before. It wasn't that good. Everything was about to break. I won't be able to get in there this time though. We can try maybe winter when everything is dead. Okay, I'll try to find another barn. It's pretty hard to get to this barn, but I'm trying to make some good content. That's creepy. There's clothes and shoes.
Can you move over, boy?
There's a
I
back
would make a
area.
music video in here.
You want to go in there?
Oh, jeez.
The dad said I couldn't get to any other barn. Ha. Wrong.
No, this is a really old place.
This looks like everything is about to fall on us. Like, that's... No, I don't like that. I'm going. Alex, I'm leaving you.
Is there anything in there?
Clothes, shoes.
Oh, show me.
Okay, come on. Well, you can watch it in the video.
No.
Alright.
That moment you get tickled by a tickly toilet.
I'm gonna try to get my cousin's reaction because he's a scaredy cat. He just puts on a brave face.
Okay, I'm gonna go deeper in.
Oh yeah, you feel safe with this one?
I said I don't.
Oh. I thought you said you did, and I was like,
So, share.
I have no idea. And that area just sort of cut me.
Wait, shine on that? What is that? Wait, hold up.
Hope I don't hit
that?
these. Yeah, it does. Oh, spider. Ow. Oh, did I get bit? No. Okay. Good.
Sean.
Is that a bone? No. Okay, good.
We could actually get behind it.
Sorry guys for such bad camera quality. This is just really different to me. Last time we were here, everything was in better shape. This thing, I don't think, was gone.
I mean, jeez.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like...
Village shoes.
Your laugh scared the crap out of me. It sounded like Chucky. Yeah? Okay. I will see you guys next time I find anything. This is the next one. I'm not gonna go in it. It's too much of a safety hazard.
Safety hazard. Hello.
Yeah, no.
That's a safety hazard. That area is so stupid to me.
Yeah.
I love how we're just walking and the road can see us.
I mean, we'll just take a walk. Hi, random car. Okay. Sorry if that video cut out. I'm going behind. Oh yeah, the tent is right there. I'm gonna try to zoom in.
You wanna go in it?
I don't know if we can get to it.
I'm gonna get to it. Die.
Okay. I will show you guys the tent if I get there. And if I don't, well then I will film the outro. Let's see what happens next. This won't be the outro. I have made it. Oh gosh. Tell me in the comments if there's anything there. Hey, well I came, so I need to see this with my own eyes. Oh, I don't like that. Sorry, it's zoomed in, you guys. Yeah. Pretty much it. I'll probably a deer hunting tent. Like I said, I don't like hunting. So, glad the person's gone now. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I will be covered in ticks and ants and bugs. So I ought to go take a shower or go swimming or something. But if you like the video, please leave a like. If you don't be afraid to leave a thumbs down. And if you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe. And if you're not sure if you want to yet, just go check out some of my previous videos. I might be able to link some down below, depending on how good my editing skills are. And that's pretty much it. Bye, guys.